Hi dear Miss, welcome to my lovely baby. I'm Adela. Today we have Chicco Lullaby Zip Playpen. But before that, don't forget to like and follow us. If you are in search of portable playpen that is versatile, comfortable and convenient both you and your baby, look no further than the Chicco Lullaby Zip Playpens. Designed to provide a safe and comfortable space for your little one, this playpen can be used from birth up to 15 kg, making it long-lasting and cost-effective investment. The Chicco Lullaby Zip Playpen offers 3 different modes to cater to your baby needs. Firstly, the full-size infant bassinet is perfect for newborn up to 6.8 kg. This quick install bassinet provides a soft and padded sleeping space for your baby, while a removable floorboard and zip and wash cover make it easy to clean and maintain. As your baby grows and starts to move around, the playpen also offers snap or changer that is suitable for baby weighing up to 11.4 kg. The changer is easy to clean and it also comes with playard organizer. Where it's not in use, the changer can be easily attached to the side of the playpen for out-of-the-way storage. For the third mode, Chicco Lullaby Zip Playpen provides a large toddler play area for children up to 15 kg. The playard area is surrounded by soft mesh wall which not only provide ventilation but is also allowed to keep you an eye for your little one when they play. The playpen is easy to move thanks to its large rubberized wheel, making it easy to take with wherever you go. In conclusion, the Chicco Lullaby Zip Playpen is an excellent investment for parents who are looking for portable playpen that can grow with their child. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and follow us. See you next time. Bye!